everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Today I decided I needed to do a new set of coasters and it's going to be neutral, black and white, and the results you will see are stunning. So keep watching. Here they are. They are just beautiful. Sometimes neutral is the way to go. This kind of looks like marble or something. It's absolutely gorgeous. And you know, sometimes you want to give a gift and you're not sure of their color preferences, and neutrals is the way to go. Just beautiful. If you click on the link you see now, you can see more of my coaster creations. And then I'll show you the ones I squished. And so I decided rather than dip, I thought I'd just do it right on the coaster, put the paint on and put the two coasters together and see what happens. And wow, look at the lacing. Very contemporary look to this. I just love these as well. Very beautiful. If you're interested in purchasing my art or my coasters, contact details are in the description box below.